Hi guys, so in today's video I'll be showing you all the exercise I'm doing we are in third trimester now, so really it's not easy, but we still got to be pushing. Let's go. So guys, this is the first exercise. I was sitting, though this sitting was really painful. Like I couldn't sit up to 1 minute because all my body was already paining me. Like the sitting no be here, so no, not me and this. I just have to find a way, and like here I was already tired, so I just needed to change to another step. So guys, I decided to change to another step, which was jumping up and down. Guys, I was just jumping like someone who doesn't have control, although all my body was very heavy. Like I'm lifting it with all my strength. So pregnant mothers, just find a comfortable place in your house and start doing this exercise like back to back. Start doing it like tomorrow does not exist. First, it makes the baby to engage very well. Like you yourself, you'll be noticing that the baby is also stressing you and you are stressing the baby. Or it makes the cervix to dilute faster. No need of stressing yourself. It also helps reduce pain in the lower abdomen. So, pregnant mothers, please, if you have entered your third trimester, please keep doing your exercise. Like, keep doing it back to back. No dulling moments. You don't have to wait till you are 37 or 39 or 38. Keep doing. Once you have entered your third trimester, keep doing it so that when you reach your 37 weeks, it won't be hard for you. You won't be feeling lazy, or start on time. Keep doing your exercise daily. Guys, at this point, like I'm very tired, but I don't have to give up. Like I said, no. At least I've made up my mind that at least in a day I have to be giving myself at least 10 minutes exercise daily. 10 minutes. 10 minutes is okay. Then exercise during pregnancy is very important for you and your baby. It helps improve blood circulation, reduce back pain, control weight gain, and prepare your body for labor. So my sister, earlier the better you start, better for you and your baby. But before starting or counting any exercise routine, consult your doctor or midwife, especially if you have high risk of pregnancy condition. Then you can be considered maybe when to start your exercise and when not to. But if you are okay, you are free. Guys, at this point, like the strong woman in me is very tired. Like I just needed rest, but I don't want to give up. I just want to be pushing it. Like, guys, it's worth it. No giving. No giving guys, up. No giving up. Like, please, if you have watched us from the beginning to this very moment, please do well to subscribe, like, and drop your comments. You get, so that whenever we drop videos, you can be seeing, you can be watching with us. Please subscribe for us, and also watch to the end. Mwah. You guys are amazing. At least we are pushing it. At this point, it was not easy. Like, it was not easy. Now I see what mothers go through, because I am a first-time mom. So all this was just my first time. So it wasn't really easy for mothers bringing a tiny human into this world. Like you can let me say, you can imagine that joy, and maybe someone will just labor in vain. God, it's not my portion. No, none of my family, none of my friends, even me. I will not labor in vain. I must carry my bundle of joy. I must carry my baby. It's mothers alive, babies alive. Yes, so we are not giving up on each other. I will not give up on my baby, and my baby will not give up on me. We are here to stay. We are here to stay in this world. So we don't have any excuse. Not doing exercise cannot be an excuse for us. So mothers, keep doing your exercise daily. At this point, my waist, God, I beg, I don't tire.